Good morning, students. This is Shivaraj Patil and welcome to Maths Chef YouTube channel. Okay, this is today is the third chapter. Okay, the continuation of the previous class, trigonometric function. So sub concepts are length of an arc, okay, and area of a sector of a circle. So length of an arc and area of a sector of a circle. Yesterday I studied what are the degree measure, what are the radian measure, the relationship between degree measure and radian measure. Okay, sir. You already have found that one. Today is what is the length of an arc. Okay, sir. Yesterday you know already what is the radian measure, the angle subtended by an arc whose radius is equal to whose length is equal to the radius of the circle. Okay, sir. This is called 1 radian. Definition of 1 radian means the length of the arc and the radius should be equal. Okay, sir. This is called arc. Okay, sir. This is the arc. This curve is called arc, and this is the area, the space between two radius and length is called area of a sector. Okay, sir. What is sector? Okay, sir. This is the sector. Okay, sir. Means sector means the length of the, okay, sir, that the space between the which one? Radius. Okay, sir. Two radius and one arc, joining arc. This is called a sector of a circle. Okay, sir. This is called sector of a circle. Or means it's a easy word. Okay, sir. Part of a circle. Part. Okay, sir. Part of a circle. Okay, sir. For the length. Okay, sir. For the length, let us see, sir. Length of an arc. Length of an arc is, okay, sir. Again, you are going to do the okay, sir, ratio formula. Use the ratio formula. Let us consider, okay, sir. This is the, okay, sir. This is the L. This is the theta in radian. Okay, sir. This is the theta in radian. This is R and this is R. Okay, sir. Yesterday we saw, okay, sir. Yesterday we saw, okay, sir, what is the theta is equal to L by R formula. Okay, sir. The relation between, okay, sir, theta, angle, radius and length is given by theta is equal to L by R. Okay, sir. See, in that definition also you can find out the length of the okay, sir. The length of an arc is given by the relation between theta and R. Okay, the equation. Just derive the equation how it is. Okay, sir. Let's consider. This is the theta. Okay, sir. Whole is theta. Okay. Let's consider, sir. Here one. This is also R. This is 1 radian and whole is theta. Okay, sir. This is length and this is R. Okay, sir. This is the R and the whole length is L. Okay. Okay, sir. Just see the, okay, sir, the corresponding angle, corresponding arc. Okay, sir. Corresponding arc length. Yesterday we saw the relation between, okay, sir. This, okay, 1 by theta. Okay, sir. 1 radian. What is, okay, sir? The angle theta 1 by theta 2 is equal to arc. Okay, sir. Arc 1 by arc 2. Standard ratio. Okay, sir. In triangle formula and circle formula, in previous class already. So 1 radian is equal to, okay, sir. What is the length? R by L. Okay, sir. Just this is the standard formula. I reference formula. Okay, sir. I am using that one. You are using deriving this one. Okay, sir. What is, okay, sir? Just change the terms. Theta becomes L by R. The exact relation R, L is equal to R into theta. R into theta. This is the standard relation. Yes, sir. The standard relation. Okay, the ratio between the two angles is equal to the ratio between the corresponding arcs. That's the theorem. Okay, the formula. Okay, sir. Theorem, some, okay, I can call identities, standards. Okay, sir. So that ratio between the two angles is equal to the ratio of the corresponding arcs, corresponding arc lengths. Okay, sir. This is the length of the arc is the, okay, sir. Okay, product of radius and its angle in radian measure. Okay, sir. This possible only in radian measure only. Okay, sir. Radian measure only. Theta in radian. Radian measure. Radians. Okay, sir. Similarly, area, sir. Okay. Area of the sector. Same corresponding. Area of the sector is, okay, same formula. The angles and their areas are in ratios. Okay, sir. Angles and areas are ratio. Okay, sir. This is 1 radian. This is R. This is R. This is R. Okay, sir. And okay, sir. Radius. Okay, then this is, let's take this one. So this becomes theta, and this becomes L. Okay, sir. We want this whole area. Okay, sir. How it define? Okay, sir. Area. Again, the corresponding angle, the ratio of the angles is equal to the ratio of the corresponding arcs, corresponding areas. Okay, sir. What is the, okay, sir. This is 1 radian divided by theta is equal to, okay, sir. This is the, okay, sir. What is the standard area? Okay, standard area of the sector, sir. Yeah, here I have to change the diagram. Again, you are going to explain the length of the arc. Okay. Okay, sir. This is the sector. This is the 1 radian, or you can call theta also. Okay, sir. Angle also. Okay, everyone. This is the theta. This is the length R. This is the R. Okay, sir. What we want area, because you know the area of the circle, pi r square. Okay, sir. By referring that one, you can find out this one. Okay, sir. And whole circle is, okay, this is the circle. Okay. Corresponding the ratio of the two angles, corresponding angles is equal to the ratio of the area of the sector, corresponding arcs. Okay, sir. This is theta by 2 pi. The whole area of the circle, whole angle of the circle is equal to, okay, sir. What we want? We want area of the circle, area of the sector. Okay, divided by area of the circle. What is the pi r square? Area of the sector we want. You are deriving the relation between the relation formula. So area of the sector divided by pi r square. Okay, sir. This pi and this pi get cancelled. Okay, this becomes area of sector, okay, sir, becomes theta into r square by 2. Okay, sir. Put the value of theta is equal to L by R. This becomes L by R into R square into 1 by 2. Okay, sir. This one get cancelled. This becomes, okay, sir, 1 by 2 into L into R. Standard equation. Therefore, okay, sir, area of the sector is equal to 1 by 2 L into R. Okay, sir. The length of the arc is product of angle and radius. Okay, sir. The area is equal to 1 by 2. Okay, sir. Half of the product of length into length and radius. Circle, radius of the circle. So this is nothing but similar to the equation. A is equal to 1 by 2 B into H. Base into height. Okay, means this is, okay, sir, this is also the arc, not a side. Still resembles the area of the triangle. Okay, sir. Because it's in larger extent, okay, sir. The circle is have 100 meters, 100,000 meters, 1 kilometer radius. Obviously, you conclude that arc becomes almost what is side, one side. Even for small also. Okay, sir, for a radius of around 1 centimeter, 0.1 centimeter, 0.01 centimeter. So, complete the arc distance is negligible. Okay, these are the two sub concepts in SRE classes. So, after this one, we will solve some questions. Okay, sir. Questions and answers exercise. No difference. Question number 1 is, okay, the problems and solutions. First question is, draw the diagram for the following angles and in which quadrant do they lie. Okay, they are given two angles, 135 and minus 740. They are given one is 135 and minus 740. 740 degree centigrade. They are given degree centigrade. Yes. Yes. The question is, draw the diagram and state the which quadrant do they lie. 135 degree centigrade and minus 740. Already studied circle. Okay, sir. The circle. So, see, sir. This is the two perpendicular lines called reference axis. Okay, sir. Two perpendicular lines are called. Already studied in the graphs. Okay, sir. For understanding the two-dimensional shapes. Okay, sir. This will be one-dimensional and two-dimensional shape. This is the reference axis. Okay, sir. This is called x and this is called x dash and this is called y and this is called y dash. Okay, sir. This is called a negative part. Okay, sir. Okay. This is called x is positive part and this is called a negative part. Okay, sir. Similarly, here this becomes positive part and this becomes negative part of the axis and this is called 0. Okay, sir. These are the two mutually perpendicular lines. So that's why this becomes 90 degree. Okay, sir. And this becomes again 90 degree. and total becomes 180 degree. Similarly, this becomes 90 degree. Up to, okay sir, up to this becomes 270. 180 plus 90, 270. Again, this becomes, okay sir, 90 degree. So whole becomes 270 plus 90, 360 degree. Okay sir. This is the, like this reference. Okay sir. This is a reference only, imaginary. Okay. First they ask the question 135. Okay. Draw the diagram and state the which quadrant do they lie. Okay sir. In which quadrant do they lie? Okay. First is okay, sir. This is the 135 is there. X dash, y dash. Okay sir. Now let's write the 0. 135. Okay sir. 135 is greater than 90. Okay, sir. 135 is greater than 90. So you can write somewhere else. How much is 90? Okay sir. 135 minus 90 becomes 45. Okay sir. 45 is half of the, okay sir. 45 is half of the 90 degree. Okay sir. So this becomes 90 and this is exactly half becomes 45. Okay. Okay, the whole angle becomes 135. See, direction is positive. I am taking the anti-clockwise direction. Okay, so anti-clockwise. For positive angle, we know the theta. For positive, the terminal side becomes okay, so rotates around the anti-clockwise direction. So, okay, sir. And this is the first quadrant. This is the second quadrant. This is the third quadrant, and this is the fourth quadrant. So, for the first answer for the first question is diagram is okay, sir, and lies in the second quadrant. Okay, sir. 135 belongs to second quadrant. Okay, so QAD ENDARNT quadrant. First question. For the second is okay sir, we have some basic standard angles. Yes sir. Standard angles is 30, 45, 60, 90, 180, 270, 360. Okay sir. These are the standard or reference angles. Whatever it be, these are the angles. For 40, we can write 30 plus 10 to refer where it comes exactly. So we can write 30 and somewhat further. So okay sir, again for 50 we can write 45 plus 5, just above the 45. For 70, for 80 near to 60, or 80 near to 90, 180, 160 you can write something else. Okay sir. They can divide the multiples. Okay sir. Whatever it may be. Okay sir. You can take the okay sir, what is called reference angles. Okay sir. So 360. Whatever value near to this one, you can take the reference as. Okay sir. To find the easiest position. Okay sir. This is minus 740. Minus 740. Okay sir. This is the bigger than the angle 360. So what you will divide? I will divide the 360. Okay sir. This becomes okay sir. This becomes okay sir. Into 2 is 300 plus 60, 720. Okay sir. 360 into 2 becomes 720. 300 plus 120, 720. So remaining is 740 minus 720. This becomes 20. Okay sir. So this value becomes minus 20 degree. Okay sir. This value becomes minus 20 degree. Okay sir, in angle, in a diagram, how we are going to show it? Means there are two time position of the 360 angle. Okay, this is the quadrant x, x dash, y, y dash. Okay sir, this is the negative angle. Negative angle means you should go by the clockwise direction, clockwise for negative direction. Okay sir, see here one circle is started for 360 degree. Okay sir, again continuing, second circle is crossing 720 degree. Okay sir, this is the direction, remaining minus 20 again. Okay sir, see minus 20 is near to less than 30. Okay sir, less than 30. So okay sir, this is becomes 45, the exact center becomes 45 90 degree. So again it becomes the less than 45 na? Somewhere else here. Okay sir, this becomes, okay sir, so total, okay sir, this becomes minus 740 and it lies in, okay sir, this is the first quadrant, this is the second quadrant, this is the third quadrant, and this is the fourth quadrant. Therefore minus 740 belongs to fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant. Is it sir? Yes. Yes sir. Rotation is very important. Positive anti-clockwise and negative angles clockwise direction. Okay sir. Next question is, convert the following into radian meters. Radian meters. Angle to radian meters. Okay sir. Next question is, okay sir, I apologize for my handwriting. Okay sir, even though I tried my, okay sir, every day, so my hand is not controlled in my mind. Okay sir, it's again I eagerly trying to write the good handwriting. So no sir, it maybe take some more time, or let me to do try more times. Okay sir, more endeavors. Okay, anyway, convert the following into radian meters. Okay sir, they given in angles and we have to show in the radians. Okay sir, in terms of pies. Okay sir, for standard you know, okay sir, already you have the solution, the relation. What is pi radian is equal to 108 degree. Okay sir, 108 degree. Here you can write 1 radian is equal to 108 degree by pi, or simple sir, 1 degree is equal to pi by 180 radian meters becomes degree. Okay, that is standard formulas. What are they given? Okay sir, 25 degree. 25 degree. 25 degree. Yeah. For 1 degree is pi by 180. Okay sir, this I am writing 1 degree into 25 degree. I can write 1 degree into 25 in terms of, so here what is the value of 1 degree is equal to pi by 180 into 25. Okay sir. This becomes, okay sir, 5 5 is 5, 3 is 5, 6 is, okay, 5 3 is 15, remaining is 20 na, 15 30 16. So this becomes 5 times pi by 36 in terms of pi radians. Yes, 5 by 30 radians. Radian meters. You can write Cannot write. Okay. Second one is very important. Minus 47. Is minus 47 degree and 30 minutes. Okay. Before going this one, let's check this. Okay. Already you know the standard question. Okay, sir. For 1 degree, you have 60 minutes. Okay. So this implies that 1 minute is equal to 1 by 60 times of degree. So 1 minute is equal to, similarly 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So this implies that 1 second is equal to 1 by 60th of minute. 1 by 60th of minute. So this we are going to use here. Okay, sir. 47 degree minus 37 minutes. Okay. See, this is the in degree and this is in the minute. Yes, sir. 1 minute is equal to 1 by 6th of degree. So what I am writing here? This is equal to minus 47. Okay, sir. I am taking this whole side plus. Okay, sir. For 1 degree, okay, sir. For 1 minute, we have 1 by 60th degree. For 30 minutes, I can have. So 1 into 30, 1 minute into 30 times. So this becomes 1 degree is 1 by 6 into 30. This becomes 30 by 60. So I can write 30 by 60. Thank you, sir. Degree. Yes, sir. So we have the same degrees. You can write right now minus 47 plus 1 by 2 whole degree. This becomes minus. Okay, sir. 47 into 2. 47 into 2, 14, 4 plus 9. Okay, sir. 95%. 95 by 2 degree. Just apply the formula. Where 1 degree is equal to pi by 18. Okay, sir. 1 degree is equal to, okay, sir, minus 95 by 2. Okay, sir. Into, what is pi by 80. Is it minus 95 by yes, 95 by 2 into pi by 8. Okay, sir. This becomes 5 1s are 5 9s are 5 36 na 36. Okay, sir. This becomes minus 19 pi divided by 36 into 2 72 radian meter. Okay, sir. Answer is minus 19 pi by 72 radian meter. Okay. Next one is Next one is 5 degree 37 minutes and okay, sir. Third one is 5 degree 37 minutes and 30 seconds. And before ever 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes. So 1 minute is equal to 1 by 60th of degree. Okay, sir. The conversions again. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So 1 second is equal to 1 by 60th of minute. Okay, sir. In terms of degree, how can I write? Yes, sir. Listen up here. 1 degree is equal to 1 by 60th. 1 degree is equal to 1 by 60th. You can write na. So the degree. So this 1 by 60 into 1 by 60 degree. Conversion. Because 1 minute is equal to 1 by 60th of degree. So here, okay, sir, to get the degree, so this is the 1 minute value. If you multiply by 1 by 60, okay sir, 1 by 60, you will get the degree value. Okay sir, this becomes then, okay sir, 5 degree plus 37, okay sir, I am writing directly 60 degree plus, okay sir, 30 into 1 by 60 into 1 by 60 degree in terms of degree. Okay sir. Okay sir. This is the minute, seconds in terms of minutes. So 1 minute is equal to 1 by 60th of degree. Therefore, the 1 by 60th degree, 1 by 60th minute in terms of degree we can write. Again we multiply by the 1 by 60th to get the degree. Okay sir. This becomes 5 degree plus 37 by 60 degree plus, okay sir, 30 on the 30 to the get cancelled. Okay, this becomes 1 by 20 degree. Okay sir, just take the LCM. 5 degree plus, okay sir, this becomes 120, calcium becomes, so this becomes 32 into 2, 37 into 2, yes, 35, 70, 74, 74 plus 1, 75 divided by 120 into degree. This becomes 5 degree plus 75, 120. 5 ones are 5, 5s are 5 ones are 5, 4s are. So this becomes 15 by 14 degree. Okay sir. This becomes a CD relation. Okay sir. They are given 45 by 8. Okay sir. I have made error here. Okay sir. 720 is, okay sir, 5 ones are 3 or 2, 5 5s are. Okay sir. Here 5 2s are 5, 4s are. Yes sir. This becomes 5 degree plus again 3 into 5, 3 into 8. So this becomes 5 by 8 degree. So this becomes 8 into 5, 40, 40 plus 5, 45 by 8 degree. Okay sir. 1 degree is equal to pi by 18 for 45. Okay, right. 45 by 8 into pi by 1 8. Okay sir. 5 4 ones are 4, 5 45 ones are 45, 4s. Okay sir. 45 45 90, 90 into 2 180. So this becomes pi by 36. Yes. So okay sir. You should write here. This becomes 5 degree 37 minutes 30 seconds is equal to pi divided by 36 radian means sir. Okay. 32. So 8 into 4 is, okay, 8 into 4 is 32. 8 into 4 is 32. Okay. Next question is, convert the following ratings into degree meters. Is pi is equal to, let's see the next question. Yes, sir. Next question is, convert the radian into degree meters. Okay, sir. Here, what I am doing here, what I will do here is, sir, For the writing time consumption or okay sir, the lengthy questions quite okay sir, and due to my invisible handwritings, I'm taking the quantified questions. Okay sir, instead of alphabetic also verbal questions, I'm taking the quantified questions. Means the question has more quantities, okay sir, more the numbers, less in words. Okay sir. I could solve all questions also. Okay sir. Here only for the time constraint, not time constraint also. Handwriting problem, I will take the questions. Whatever the questions like that, the solve they cannot read me or something else, on clock or something else. Okay sir. They given some okay sir, what you call lengthy questions of circle of 10 radius, something else. The lengthy questions. So if I start writing here, it takes the whole board to write the question. That's why either I will dictate the question in front of you right now, or if I solve the all question by dictating the we'll solve the question by dictating the questions by words. Or I will take the some all the questions which are the more number, okay sir, numerical questions, okay sir. These are very the questions in terms of numerical methods, okay, numerical types. Yeah. First, convert the following radian meters into degree meters. Radian, okay sir. Again, what is the solution? Solution is 180 degree is equal to pi radian. Okay. This is the reference angle, reference formula, reference relations. What they given? They given, okay. So 1 radian becomes 180 degree divided by value of pi. Okay. What they given? 11 degree. Okay. So they given 11 by 16 radian. We should count into degree meters. Okay sir. This I can write 1 radian into 11 by 16th of multiplication. So instead of 1, in the place of 1 radian, I am going to write this divided by pi into 11 by 16. And what is the value of pi? Okay sir. Pi is the value of approximate value 22. Okay sir. 22 by 7, is it? 22 by 7. So, by writing the value of 180 divided by 22 into 7, so 7 becomes upper side, again 11 by 16. Okay sir, 11 ones are 11 twos are 2 ones are 2 90s. Okay sir. 4 it's not going for 2. 2 8s are 2 45. This becomes 45 into 7 by 8. This becomes 7 to 5 35. 5 3 is carry forward. 7 into 4 20. 25 into 3 31. 31 by 8 degree. 315 by 8. Okay. In terms of rate of seconds and which one? Minutes. Again. 315 by 8 in terms of degree. In terms of seconds and minutes. In terms of second minutes, just the continuation part is write in the mixed form. Okay, this becomes 315 by 8. This becomes 324. Remaining is 6% 75. Okay, 75. So 8 ones are 8 9s are 72. ratio, okay, remainder is 3. Okay, so and this becomes, okay, this becomes 39 into 3 by 8 degree. Okay, sir. This how can I expand? 39, okay, sir, plus 3 by 8 degree. You can write 39. So this becomes 39 degree plus 3 by 8 into 60. Okay, sir. 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes. So 3 by 8 degree is equal to 3 into multiple 60. Okay, sir. 4 2s are 4 1s are 4 5s are. Okay, sir. Then again, the lengthy part is 39 degree plus 3 into, okay, so 45 by 2 minute. Is it? Yes. 39 degree plus 45 by 2 into 60 becomes seconds. Becomes 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. For 40 by 2, 45 by 2 minute is equal to 60. Okay, multiplication by 45 minute by 2 minutes is equal to 60 becomes seconds. Okay, this becomes 39 degree. 2 ones are 2, 30. Okay, somewhere else have to do something else. 60. Okay. This is okay, sir. Some trickies. Okay, be careful, sir. They given have to make a second. The questions are seems to be easy, but in calculating, okay, they are quite okay, time consuming also, quite tricky also. 45 by 2 minute. Again, 45 should write in the mixed form. 2 ones are 2, 2s are 2, 1s are, remainder is 1. So this we can write 39 degree plus 2. Okay, sir. 22 plus 1 by 2 in terms of minute. So this is called 39 degree. So this becomes 22 minute. Okay, sir. This becomes 1 by 2 into 60 seconds. Because 1 second is equal to 60 seconds and 1 by 2 minutes into multiple into 60 is equal becomes seconds. This becomes 39 degree, 22 minute, 2 ones are 2, 30. So I am writing directly 30 seconds. Okay, sir. That's for, okay, therefore, is it? Yes, 11 by 16. 11 by 16 radian meter is equal to 39 degree, 22 minute, 30 seconds. 30 seconds. Required answer. Okay, sir. Question seems to be easy. Okay, you can write something else. Okay, sir. Where is the 315? Okay, sir. 315 by 8 only the ratio degree. Okay, sir. You should conclude in the this format. This is the valid format to get the full marks in the exam. Next one is, okay, next one is similarly for 4 they given, so skipping this one for time constraint. Next one is 7 pi by 6. Yes, 7 pi by 6. Pi by 6. 7 pi by 6 the radian. Okay, so what is the formula? 180 degree is equal to pi radian. They given radian, so we should write 1 radian is equal to 180 degree by pi meters. Okay, 1 radian is equal to 180 by pi. Then for 7 pi by into 6 is equal to, we can write, okay sir, 7 pi by 6 radian is equal to, okay, so 1 radian into value of 7 pi by 6. Now this becomes, what is the value of 180 degree divided by pi into 7 pi by 6. So this pi get cancelled. 6 ones are 6 30s. Okay, 30 degree, not 30 degree. Okay, 30 into 7. 30 into 7 is equal to 210 degree. Therefore 7 pi by 6 radian is equal to 210 degree. Required solution. Yes. Okay, for lengthy class I am going to conclude this. Okay sir, only I already solved 4 or 6 questions only for a full length class. Next class we will solve some remaining part of the introduction. Okay sir, this is the angle of measure. The problem based on the angle of measure, the radian measure and degree measure. Okay, thank you for watching. We will see in the next class, problem class. Okay sir. Okay, thank you very much.